Now let's come to electrical components and their symbols. In table 13.1 on the next page, list some few common components used in electric cell and the electric circuit and their symbol. The circuit diagram is drawn here in 13.3 to show how different components of circuit are connected together. To draw actual components is a difficult task, but the use of standard symbol makes the drawing of a circuit diagram easier. Means what they are saying is, suppose if you have to draw a circuit like this, a bulb and a battery and then a switch, these are real things we use in real life, in our daily life. It is difficult. So what we do is we use a diagrammatic diagram. So instead of bulb we are having this symbol, instead of cell we are having this symbol, instead of cell we are showing this thing. So if this is the thing, then it makes the diagram easy. This is easier there to draw than this, isn't it? So what are the symbols of the different components? The electric cell, it is shown as this symbol. The positive terminal is represented by the longer line and the vice versa. Means the longer line, it shows the positive symbol and the smaller line shows the negative symbol. Then comes electric bulb. For electric bulb, you don't have to draw a bulb like this. If you draw this much also, it's understood that this is a bulb. For switch, in on position, when the switch is in on position, you draw a diagram like this or this, not like this. Okay, when the switch is in off position, we draw the diagram like this or this, not like this. The battery, we don't draw battery like this, we draw it just this much. For wire, we don't make the coil of wire, we use a straight line. So these were the symbols. Now whenever you will see a diagram in electric current, you will be seeing these symbols instead of these all. Okay. Now you have learnt about an electric bulb and electric cell in class 6. Like electric bulb, electric cell has two terminals, one positive and other negative, which are shown to two sides of the cell. What they are saying, this is an electric cell. Means a battery, simple battery, dry battery. You know, one end is positive and one end is negative. The one with a small knob like thing is the positive end and the other is the negative end. Okay. When two cells are joined together via conducting wire in such a way that the positive end of one cell is joined to the negative end of the other cell, the arrangement is said to be a battery of two cells. Means what they mean to say, suppose there are two batteries and this is a conducting wire. Now if you have a wire connecting from a positive end of one battery to the negative end of another battery, and these two also there from the positive end and from the negative end, it will be going to connect with a something appliance so that the appliance starts working and you complete the circuit. So this type of arrangement in a circuit are known as battery of two cells. Now what happens in sometimes if it's a bigger appliance, then you will be needing three batteries. Because if you are using a torch, you see there are sometimes you use two batteries, sometimes you use three batteries. So in three batteries, how the cells are attached to each other? Always remember, the cells are attached to each other with a positive end, from a positive to the negative, again from positive to negative. Okay, so this is a battery of three cells. Now this one, the connection of the cells which does not constitute a battery. Now observe the connection shown in 13.4 C and find and 13.4 D. You find it. Now 13.4 C, it makes a battery of three cells. Okay, because it is connected from positive to negative. But in this, you see they are attached positive to positive between two battery, and from two battery they are connected from negative to positive. So this shows a wrong connection of cell, and this does not make a battery. It does not constitute a battery. Means if you attach batteries like this and try to try lighting up a lamp, bulb, or you try to run some appliances, it won't work. Okay, because these two positives are attached. It should have been happened from positive to negative, again from positive to negative. Here the connection made is wrong. Clear? So now you must have seen batteries used in cars and inverters which have number of cells in series. They are rechargeable and provide heavy current, but they are large and inexpensive. Yes, there are batteries used in cars, there are batteries used in bikes and scooters. There are batteries used at your home which you used as inverters. When the light goes up, the inverter starts working. So those are expensive ones, but these are not expensive.